How to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily withdraw money from your Phantom Wallet. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe button, and let's begin. So in order to withdraw money from your Phantom Wallet, I would suggest you change or turn your coin into Solana. For that, you will need to head over to the Jupiter's website, and from here you can change your coin to Solana right here. For that, you first need to connect your Phantom Wallet. So go ahead and connect your Phantom Wallet first. So once you connect your Phantom Wallet, so right here you can just connect your wallet, and as you can see it's connected. Now all you have to do is enter your amount right here and then change it to Solana. So once you convert it, what you can do is deposit this on another website here. I am going to be using Binance. So from here you can click on deposit, and from here you can deposit crypto. Click on it and search for Solana right here, and then copy its ID. So once you copy the ID of your Binance, you are going to go ahead and open up your Phantom Wallet again. And once you open up your Phantom Wallet, you are going to send your amount. So right here, once you have imported Solana, you just paste your Binance wallet address right here, enter the amount of Solana that you want to send, and click on next, and you should be able to withdraw money from your Phantom Wallet. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share and subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.